In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a HubSpot email as HTML. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so you can easily grab the full HTML code of any marketing email you've created in HubSpot and reuse it wherever you need. This is especially useful if you want to move an email to another platform, hand it off to a developer, or simply keep a backup of your design. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the main navigation where your tools are grouped. Find the marketing section. Depending on your view, this might be an icon or a label. In either case, hover your mouse over it to reveal more options. From the expanded marketing menu, click on email. This will take you to your email tool, where you can see a list of all the marketing emails you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific email you want to export as HTML. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of emails. When you find the email you're interested in, move your mouse over that row. As you hover, a few buttons or links will appear, including one labeled Actions. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, choose View Email. This will open a new page that shows your email exactly as your recipients would see it in their inbox. Now that you're looking at the live preview of your email, right-click anywhere on the page. In the context menu that appears, select the option called View Page Source. The wording might vary slightly depending on your browser, but it will be something similar. This opens a new tab or window showing the raw HTML source code of the email. On this new page, you're seeing all the underlying HTML that powers your email's layout, images, links, and styling. To copy everything, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+A on a Mac. This selects all of the code on the page. Then copy it using Ctrl+C or Command+C. Next, open a simple text editor on your computer, such as Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, set to plain text mode. Paste the copied code into the blank document. Finally, save the file with a clear name and make sure it ends with .html, for example, email.html. And that's it. You've successfully exported your HubSpot email as an HTML file.